The function g and h are defined by this. So find an expression for g inverse. So to find the g inverse, we will have to start with this. Let gy equal to x, then g inverse of x equal to what? Okay, so we have the square root, cube root of 8y cubed plus 3 equal to x. And then we cube both sides. Then we have the 8y cubed plus 3 equal to x cubed. Then we have the 8y cubed equal to x cubed minus 3. Then we have the y cubed is equal to x cubed minus 3 over 8. So the y will be cube root of x cubed minus 3 over 8. Then the g inverse of x will be cube root of x cubed minus 3 over 2. Okay, because we know that the cube root of 8 is equal to 2. Okay, so this will be the answer. State the least value of the constant k such that GHK can be found. Okay, so we want to find the GHK. Okay, so the k, HK. So the must, k can be any number actually. K can be any number. Then the what? Mm, exponent can be any number. But the k here, so we have the GHK. So the GHK is actually, we have the uh, GHK, then that will be the G exponent 4k. Okay, so the E exponent 4k, so the gx, the x must be greater than equal to 1. So the exponent for 4k must greater than or equal to 1. Okay, then the k can be any number. No, 0, 0. So the 4k, okay, must greater than or equal to 0. Okay, so k greater than or equal to 0. Okay, so this one GHK equal to G E exponent 4 power k. So the exponent 4 power k greater than 1 or equal to 1. So we have to look at the graph for exponent. Okay, so if we have the E power 4x, the graph will look like this. Okay, so this will be less than 1. So before 0 will be less than 1. After 0 will be greater than 1. Okay, even we have the e to the power of x, the graph also look like this. Okay, we have the 0, 1 here. Okay, so for this one, the graph is look like this. So I know that the domain and codomain for the exponent. That's why I know that the exponent 4k greater than equal to 1 when the power 4k here, okay, the x here must greater than or equal to 0. They, the question one, the least value of constant k. So the k can be greater than or equal to 0. Then the smallest one is 0. So the least value of k is equal to 0. Next, we need to find and simplify an expression for GHX. So the GHX is the G e to the power 4x. Then it will become cube root of 8e power 4x plus 3. Okay, and the x is greater than or equal to 1. Okay, okay, I did a mistake here. So it is the e power 4x cube plus 3. Then it will become the cube root of 8e 12x plus 3. Okay.